Imagine arriving at the airport, excited because your dream vacation is finally about to begin. You've got your boarding pass, your passport, and your bags packed. Then, in just a few seconds, your phone is gone, or worse, your carry-on disappears before you even reach your gate. Most travelers assume airports are among the safest places in the world because they're filled with security cameras and police. But that's exactly why professional thieves love them. People let their guard down. Today, I'm counting down the airport hotspots, where thieves strike most often, the clever tricks they use to distract unsuspecting travelers, and the simple habits that can help keep your valuables and your vacation safe. One of these locations catches travelers off guard every single day. If you want more travel tips like this, hit subscribe. 10. Rental car shuttle stops. Our countdown begins the moment you step outside the terminal. Rental car shuttle stops are a goldmine for opportunistic thieves. Think about it. You're exhausted from a long flight, dragging multiple heavy bags, and desperately trying to figure out which bus to board. When the shuttle arrives, a chaotic rush happens. Everyone scrambles to load their luggage into the exterior racks. While you are completely distracted, lifting one bag, a thief can easily walk away with another from the sidewalk. Furthermore, rental cars themselves are massive targets. Criminals stake out these shuttle stops because they know a newly rented car almost certainly contains expensive luggage, electronics, and passports. Never leave your bags unattended on the curb, even for a split second while you check a bus schedule. 9. Curbside check-in areas. The convenience of curbside check-in comes with a hidden price. Because these areas are outside and accessible to the public, they lack the controlled security of the inner terminal. The biggest risk here comes from fake baggage handlers. These scams involve individuals dressing up in official-looking vests or uniforms, pretending to help you with your bags. They might grab your luggage, throw it onto a cart, and then either walk away with it entirely or aggressively demand an exorbitant service fee to give it back. Always verify that the handler is an official, badged employee of your airline. And never let your bags out of your sight until they are securely placed on the official conveyor system. 8. Airport bathrooms. It's a basic human need, but airport bathrooms are prime hunting grounds for thieves. When people enter a restroom stall with bulky luggage, they face a spatial dilemma. Many travelers instinctively hang their purse or small backpack on the coat hook provided on the back of the stall door. This is a critical mistake. Professional thieves can easily reach over the top of the door and snatch your bag before you even realize what's happening. Similarly, sliding your bag onto the floor makes it incredibly easy for someone in the adjacent stall to grab it from underneath. When using the restroom, keep your bags physically attached to you. Loop a strap around your leg or hold it firmly between your feet. 7. Long-term parking lots. Leaving your vehicle behind introduces serious physical risks, making long-term parking lots a major hotspot. These lots are massive, often poorly lit, and filled with cars left empty for days or weeks at a time, giving thieves all the time they need to break in. Before you lock up and head to the terminal, ensure you have completely removed all valuables from your parked car, including GPS units, dash cams, and loose change. If your vehicle has built-in vehicle tracking or aftermarket GPS security, make sure it is fully enabled before you leave. A completely clean, empty-looking car is the best deterrent against a broken window. Enjoying the video so far? Give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and I truly appreciate it. 6. Airport trash cans. It sounds bizarre, but airport trash cans are highly lucrative spots for identity thieves. When travelers clear out their pockets or bags before boarding, they often toss away old documents without a second thought. Your discarded boarding passes and baggage tags contain highly sensitive barcodes. If a thief fishes these out of the garbage, they can scan them to access your frequent flyer account, your full name, your home address, and even your future travel itineraries. Never discard these items intact. Tear them into tiny pieces, or better yet, take them home with you to shred safely. 5. Public charging stations. In the modern digital age, public charging stations pose a double threat, both physical and digital. The physical risk is obvious. Travelers often plug their phones in and walk away to buy a coffee or read a book, leaving expensive devices completely unattended and ripe for the taking. But the hidden danger is digital, commonly known as juice jacking. Cyber criminals can modify public USB ports to install malware on your phone, or secretly clone your data the moment you plug in your cord. To protect your digital life, avoid using standard public USB ports entirely. Instead, carry your own wall charger adapter and plug directly into a standard AC power outlet, or rely on a portable power bank. If you have any unique tips on how you keep your devices safe while traveling, drop it in the comments to help other travelers. 4. Checked luggage vulnerabilities. Many travelers assume their belongings are safe once they hand them over to the airline, but checked luggage remains an overlooked risk. While rare, documented cases have shown that both opportunistic criminals and corrupt airport personnel can access bags behind the scenes. The golden rule of flying is that valuables such as cash, high-end jewelry, expensive electronics, and vital medications should never, under any circumstances, be packed in checked bags. Keep these strictly in your carry-on. For the items you do check, add layers of defense by using discreet TSA-approved luggage locks and slipping tracking devices like AirTags inside the lining, so you always know exactly where your bag is. 3. Airport food courts. When hunger strikes, our guard drops, making airport food courts a paradise for distraction theft. You're focused on eating, checking your gate number, or talking to your family, which is exactly what thieves are waiting for. A common tactic involves a thief sitting at the table behind you and subtly sliding your backpack away with their foot. Alternatively, someone might bump into your table accidentally while an accomplice snatches your phone right off the tabletop. When dining, never leave your belongings behind, even briefly, to grab a napkin or a straw. Keep your bags firmly on your lap or loop the straps securely around the leg of your chair. 2. Baggage claim carousels. Ranking as the second most dangerous area in the entire airport is the baggage claim carousel. The fundamental flaw here is that many airport terminals allow the general public completely unrestricted access to the arrivals and baggage claim zones. Because dozens of identical black suitcases roll off the belt simultaneously, it is incredibly easy for a thief to walk up, grab your bag, and walk out of the airport before you even spot it. To prevent this, always use highly distinctive luggage or add bright, visible identifiers like neon ribbons, unique straps, or large stickers. Most importantly, ensure you walk briskly to the carousel and collect your bags promptly instead of lingering at the restrooms or coffee shops. 1. TSA security checkpoints. Finally, we reach the #1 most dangerous location for airport theft, the TSA security checkpoint. It seems ironic that the most heavily policed area is the highest risk zone, but thieves leverage the intense stress, confusion, and forced separation of you from your belongings. Criminals frequently work in pairs at the security lines. One thief will purposely cause a delay at the metal detector, perhaps by forgetting to take off a belt or leaving change in their pockets, which keeps you stuck in line. Meanwhile, their accomplice, on the other side of the X-ray machine, quickly scoops up your loose wallet, watch, or phone from the plastic bins and walks away. To outsmart this tactic, never place loose valuables directly into an open tray. Instead, seal your phone, wallet, and passport safely inside a zippered pocket of your jacket or backpack before your bag goes into the machine, and keep a hawk-like eye on your bins throughout the entire screening process. If there is one major lesson to take away, it's that distraction is your absolute biggest vulnerability at the airport. Staying alert, keeping your valuables attached to your person, and minimizing the exposure of your information are the best ways to protect yourself. What is your go-to strategy for keeping your bags safe when you fly? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to the channel for more expert travel guides. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video.